Hi, yeah. Welcome back to the BSN channel or Black Star Name. Today we're going to be talking about
When we,
why people smile.
whilst they're walking, why? You're my
Oh
my,
yeah, that's
my, my chair arm.
That's
This is my chair arm. Yeah.
good. Yeah.
As I was saying, yeah, people like to smile while they're walking, like strangers, and we're here to debate about that.
Yeah.
Apparently, I don't like it. I don't know if he likes it.
I don't like it myself. People love to stare at me, and then I'm just like, why? Especially the people when they drive a car and then they stop and then they stare at you,
Come in the middle.
and especially um in the bus. That's what I hate. When people stare at me in the top of a bus. Like, they just stare at me and it's like, oh, I'll just stare at this guy. Well, wait, would you associate black people to stare at people a lot in the back of a bus? Or would you say,
I wouldn't say black people. I'd say probably just younger people. Younger people at the top of the bus. I mean, I don't know what. Depends where you live, yeah. But in London, UK, where we live, yeah, we have double decker buses, yeah, and you got people who sit in the back of the bus at the top and purposely just look at people on the street. Like it's, and then afterwards in the bottom next to the chicken shop or wherever the person is, he's looking at the top of the bus. Like it's,
no, it's just,
I don't get it. I don't get it. But that's one type of them. Then you
No.
got another type where you got old people. I'm not saying they're always white people, but I'm saying a lot of them are white, especially English people, and they just smile as they're walking. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but they walk. I mind my own business. I have a little eye contact, and then I just walk off. I'm just like you're making me feel bad for not smiling back. I didn't want to smile. I was thinking about something. I'm thinking about bills and stuff.
Yeah, but do you know them ones where, was it an old white lady would, let's say, she's just walking past and she's smiling, and then, let's just say you're doing your hair outside, and then this lady just basically stares at you but smiling. She's happy with her day, and then she tries to pass her happiness onto you, and then you're thinking to yourself, why do I need you to smile at me? Like, I'm in a pissed off mood, but you're just gonna keep on smiling and then making me feel, oh yeah, I should be happy as well because you're happy. It annoys me.
All I'm saying is, yeah, one day you're gonna smile at a person who's thinking about killing someone in their brain. You're thinking, oh, let me just smile. And in his head, he's thinking knives, cleavers, kill someone, blood. And then you're gonna die. I'm not saying don't smile at everyone. I'm saying don't walk around like this. I ain't smiling at no one. But you gotta realize that you might smile at the wrong person.
No, don't make the mistake of
I'm the wrong person. I'm not saying I'm gonna kill you, but I'm gonna say, smile at me on a sunny day. It's a sunny day. You might see me wearing a vest, some shorts, walking down like this. I might be listening to music, then smile at me. But if you see me in the rain, in the cold, with my jacket on, and I'm like this, trying to walk through the cold, and you're like this, I'm just like, no, I'm gonna kill you. Just, oh yeah, I'll kill you. Not literally.
No, he won't kill you.
I won't kill
literally.
you.
Nah, he's not.
I won't kill you, but I'd feel like killing you.
Yeah, no, I know you're going out with that one. Also, there's another situation, when people are happy, but they're annoyed when you're unhappy. So let's just say, you're
Oh,
just
you mean the
like,
ones that say, "Oh, cheer up"?
yeah, cheer up. How am I meant to cheer up? Like, what you saying to me, cheer up, is gonna make me exactly cheer up. Like, I wasn't happy.
I'm getting angry
I'm-
if
yeah.
you're listening to this.
You getting angry as well. I'm getting angry myself. I don't feel like, I
Because
feel
there was
like
a
I'm
woman that
getting pushed.
done that to me the other day.
Yeah.
Like
What?
I was walking in the park, and I was hungry, thirsty. I had no money, and no one was in the house. You wasn't in the house. Anyways, no one was in the house. Yeah. I'm grumpy. I've been waiting for 3 hours already. I've got my top off. I'm sweating. Like I'm not a happy person. My hair's all over the place. And then some woman looks at me and she's like, "Oh God, cheer up. What's wrong with you?" I almost spilled my guts at her. Like, but lucky I have patience.
No patience.
I said, I just smiled back with the last bit of energy I had left. I went, but really it was like, you know.
That's what.
It's annoying. It's annoying.
You know, they push you to the limit, and then you get angry, and it's like, oh, there's no need to get angry.
Yeah,
No
I'm
need
only
to
being
get angry.
nice. Who asked you to be nice?
Who asked you?
Like for example, yeah, you don't see Earth collide with Mars with a smile on his face. You don't see Uranus collide with Saturn. Everything stays in orbit in their own lane. Nothing interrupts each other. I'm in my own lane. I don't even like it when people walk in the same path as me. Seriously. I like people, but I don't like people who invade my space. Like when I'm walking in the park in the middle of the day, and then you got people who like to pretend like they're gonna pass you from behind, but they don't do it fast enough. It's like they expect you to walk faster because they're behind you. And I walk even slower, like come on, pass me.
Oh yeah, I get that.
And I'm listening to something on my earphones, yeah? And it gets to the point where I forget the lyrics. I'm not even listening to the lyrics because I'm thinking there's someone behind me. Look, I'm not a horrible person, but what
Yeah,
I'm
you
saying
never know,
is,
that guy might be a pedophile, isn't
I'm not a kid.
he? Yeah, it's true. Bro, it might be some guy who's really old. It's like, oh, I want a bit of that mixed race meat.
This boy is crazy.
Okay.
I don't know.
Never know.
You threw me way off.
No, in case a guy's like, oh, I want a bit of that mixed race meat. You know, I don't get a bit of mixed race meat. You know, I want a bit of mixed race meat. In case he's not getting that meat. Okay, what's that?
First of all, why would he say mixed race meat? And number two, why would he say it as meat?
It might be okay. Moving on.
Dead.
Moving.
Boy's dead at jokes. Like he's just
No.
dead at jokes.
Okay, moving on. with
No,
this.
I've still got more to talk about.
Well, what?
Okay.
Okay.
It's not just old white ladies, yeah. Let's talk about the old white men.
Why?
Because they do the same things, but like on the outskirts of London, like on the suburbs of London, not in the, like central London. People don't like each other. People just like, even the women just like, even a girl that's trying to wink at you is like, it's just thinking, what a horrible place. But anyway, when you go in the suburbs, yeah, you get some men who are like this, what like that. The old men like, oh, how you doing, mate? You right? I'm just walking down the road, you know. And I'm just like, hi. Like, it does cheer up my day, but I'm just thinking, you made me nervous for nothing. Even if you don't say anything, he was just like, oh, okie doke.
It's brilliant.
And me, I'm just like walking, trying to think about my exams, or I don't know what I was thinking about that time. Yeah, I think it was exams I was thinking about. And it just threw me way off. I don't know, maybe.
Exams.
I had it, yeah, I was, like, when you're in uni, it's a bit different. When you go do exams, you can't, I don't know. I just chose to be somewhere. I was in a residential area, and this guy was just passing by. And usually you don't think about people who pass by because they just pass by. That's what they are. They're pass-buyers. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Passer-buyers?
Pass by.
They're passing by. That's what you meant to do.
Passing buyers.
Like,
So
like, he threw me way off.
It's alright.
He threw me way off. Don't touch me, man.
Okay, it's alright. Touch me. Is that what we have to say about this matter?
Yeah, I think so. I don't want to drag on too much.
Yeah, you don't want to start going into depth.
But the bottom line is, yeah, just know who you're smiling at. I'm not saying don't smile at people randomly, but I'm just, if you're a woman, be careful. If you're a man, still be careful. There's a lot of homophobic people out there. I'm not joking. Like, if I see a man smiling at me now, I'm gonna be like, yo. I wouldn't even know what to say, but I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna step up the levels. Just to explain, so it doesn't sound gay. What I mean by step up the levels, I mean, I'm gonna beat you up.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
No, I'm not saying I'm going to walk around beating up people, because realistically, men don't smile at me, and I like it that way. If a woman's smiling at me,
So,
it's
no,
alright,
okay,
but
okay.
you need to understand that it can be inappropriate.
Okay, a quick scenario.
It is
yeah?
inappropriate.
A quick scenario, yeah? In case I came up to you like this.
That's just straight weird.
See?
That's why I don't get you. I don't get you.
I'm ruining.
That's why I don't get you. You just mess things up. Yeah, it's been it's the end of discussion. Bottom line is, yeah, smile at whoever you want to smile at, but like smile if you're trying to get someone. Like, for example, if you want to say something, like smile and then say something, or smile and leave a hint, like, oh, I like that boy. Or same with boys.
I like that girl.
Give a little smile.
I like that.
But don't be smiling and there's no message. Like, don't be like, I walk up to you, be like, so how are you? Sorry, I've got somewhere to go. Yeah, but you was just smiling at me. Oh, but I didn't mean. What do you mean you didn't mean? You was smiling at me. That's a form of communication. Nonverbal.
Nonverbal.
Let's
leave this.
That's all I gotta say, man.
Let's
I
end
don't
this.
want to go on. I don't want to sound like I'm a horrible person. I'm a nice person.
He's a nice person.
I'll smile at anyone, but
He's
talk to me.
loved by many.
Say something. Don't
Hated
just
by few.
what he said.
Yeah, what he said. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, give us a like, thumbs up. That's the same
Or
thing.
dislike if you.
No, don't dislike.
But listen, if you're gonna dislike, leave why you disliked in the comments.
No,
Like,
yeah, but no one dislikes us. Don't dislike us now, but
I don't care if you dislike us. But what I'm saying is, if you do,
Okay.
yeah, it's the BSN channel. Usually he does the intro, but I'm gonna start with the intro. Today's discussion is about my opinion on Azonto.